Hey, you said table salt is salty, right?
Yeah.
Table salt is mainly sodium chloride, right?
Yeah.
Then let me ask you, the salty taste of salt, or the sodium in NaCl, or the sodium in NaCl? Is the saltiness from chlorine or from sodium? Right, it has two ions. Which one creates saltiness? I really don't know. Then we can use an experiment to find out. Friend reminder, do not imitate. To make a preliminary judgment about where saltiness comes from, we'll start with a tasting session. Tasting? That's right. Ooh, we taste them. Decide which ones are saltier. And determine where saltiness comes from. Ooh, we taste them. Decide which ones are saltier. And determine where saltiness comes from. We prepared 3 edible sodium salts. Sodium buckyl and sodium glutamate and sodium citrate, and 3 edible chlorine salts, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, and magnesium chloride. Then our experiment and prepared dilute solutions with the same ion concentration. Finally, the samples were shuffled and given to us from brine. Taste them. Let's try the first cup. Salty, faint saltiness. Let's see what the first one was. Potassium chloride, There aren't any chloride ions. Don't rush to conclusions. After this, there are 5 more cups! Ooh, we taste them. Decide which ones are saltier. And determine where saltiness comes from. Next, the second cup. So bitter, not salty at all. Wait, what is this? Is this even drinkable? Magnesium chloride, another chloride salt. It's not salty. Say nothing, let's continue. Third cup, you go first, you first, you first. Drink together, salty and the savory. Then I know what it is. Monosodium glutamate, MSG. Oh, no wonder, it tastes like seaweed. The next one, calcium chloride, also has a very strong bitterness. Bit like seawater. Sodium bicarbonate is bitter with a little saltiness. Sodium citrate has a faint saltiness with almost no other flavor. Salty, genuine. Finally, we obtained these tasting results. We can see that sodium salts all show some saltiness, while among chloride salts, only potassium chloride is slightly salty. The rest aren't salty at all. Taste them, decide which ones are saltier, and determine where saltiness comes from. We can preliminarily conclude that the salty taste of table salt is more likely from sodium ions. Wait, that's not rigorous. True tasting alone can't give a definite conclusion. Scientists actually use more precise methods to explain the source of saltiness. Our taste cells on the tongue have sodium ion channels. When table salt dissolves in the mouth, sodium ions enter the taste cells through these channels, sending signals to the brain so we perceive saltiness. Imagine how free someone must be to research this. Free. On the contrary, because we understand the basic logic of taste, food science and technology continue to improve, allowing us to enjoy safer, healthier, more diverse foods, but food safety issues also increase. I don't think that's the problem of technology itself. Have you heard of the fool who ate salt? Moderate use enhances flavor, but excessive use turns harmful. What does that mean? I think science and technology are like table salt. Whether they benefit or harm people depends on how humans use them.